Hello friends, welcome. In this video we'll discuss how to do two sample t-test in R using t.test function. Friends, in my last video I had also mentioned that we need to use the t-test function very carefully because R provides only one function to use t-test for one sample, two sample and pair t-test. So all arguments should be put very carefully. Uh, so here, this is my data, x and y. X has 100 observations, y has 50 observations. So I want to test the mean they are having. So the mean we are getting in these two samples, those are independent samples, friends. I need to mention just to use uh, two test, two sample t-test, the main assumption is your samples are independent. Selection of one sample has no variance, has no consequences for other sample. Okay, friends. So these samples are independent and they are coming from normal populations. So uh, so now we would be doing two-way t-test for that purpose. So we are assuming that, and the null hypothesis we are giving by default, the difference in mean is zero. So okay friends, so I'm using this. So in that case, when you don't want to do pair test, the simple thing is t-test. You just simply mention x and y. First I'm attaching the file, and so it can read the column directly. So what I'm doing here, so it has two columns now, x and y. So I'm doing the t-test for these two columns. So t-test for x and then y, and control enter. And you are saying what the arguments we are not giving here, but they are by default. So here the by default arguments are, we are doing a two-sided t-test, two-tailed t-test, with assumption that difference in mean is equal to 0, and it is not a pair t-test. Variance is not equal in the samples, and confidence level is 0.95. These are the default arguments we are putting here, so we don't need to use them. We are simply giving two vectors, those are numerical, and the values we are getting, the mean of variable x is 9.72 and the mean of y is 9.82. Are they statistically different or not? So assumption we are getting, the hypothetical difference between mean we are taking is 0, and we are doing this. So simply friend, the value we are getting here for t-test is minus 0.09, and the p-value we are getting is 0.84. Since this value is more than 0.05, we cannot reject the null hypothesis and say the the difference is 0. We can't reject this. So there is no statistically different, the value of mean we are getting, they are not different statistically, they are same actually. So this is the way, friends, we do two sample t-test. Thanks for watching.